Good afternoon, traders. Welcome to the More Analytics Afternoon Energy Podcast for July 15th going into the 16th. We start off with natural gas. I'm not going to go over all the higher time frame stuff. The trade back below 331.40 brought in 467 ticks of pressure. We also have levels to be short below at 319.30, 312.30. And then I warned we were likely in the last stretch of the move down from 442.50 with areas of possible exhaustion at 286.40 to 540 at 270 and lower. We're currently holding the upper of these with a 284.70 low and a bounce so far to 294. A maintain gap higher tomorrow will leave a minor bullish reversal that a warrant of higher trade. Decent trade below 288.40. Plus 0.6 of a tick per hour starting at 6 o'clock p.m. will warn of decent pressure. If we break below there decently and back up through it decently, look for decent short covering to come in. And crude oil, we break back above 67.91. I said warrants a decent strength. We've seen $13.36. Tuesday, we left a minor bullish reversal below. We've seen $10.55 from the 70.72 open. On the 8th, we left a medium bullish reversal that I said warns a higher trade for days/weeks. We've rallied $7.44 from that so far. And then the trade above 79.09 warns a continued strength. But if we fail back below that decently, look for decent pressure to come in. That's going to come in at 78.07. Minus 2 per hour starting at 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And decent trade above 80.51, minus 2 per hour starting at 6 o'clock p.m. That'll warrant a decent strength. If we break above there decently and back down through it decently, look for decent pressure to come in. And the RBOB, the trade above 287.06 has brought in strength up to 332.18 with additional areas I suggested being long above at 295.75. On July 6th, we left a medium bullish reversal below. I said that warrants a higher trade in general for days/weeks. And from the 297.53 open, we had attained $30.22 coming into today, and more than that, up to 332.18. Then the break above 299.44 was also an area to be long above. The trade above 304.58 was an additional area. And then on July 13th, we left a minor bullish reversal below warned about. And from the 305.41 open, we have rallied up to 332.18. We are in an area of possible exhaustion from the move up from the lows and also a corrective exhaustion. The general area is from 329.65 to 335.06. But I did have a suggestion to sell right here at this 332.37 to 81. If we break above there decently and back below it decently, look for decent pressure to come in. A decent trade above this formation right here, which is going to come in at 330.44 plus 12 per hour starting at 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. That'll warrant a decent strength. But if we break above there decently and back down through it decently, look for decent pressure to come in. A maintain gap lower tomorrow will leave a minor bearish reversal above, which will be more effective if/when we take out 317.35 in the process. And the heating oil will maintain gap lower tomorrow will leave a minor bearish reversal above. The trade above 320.04. Actually, I should say we held exhaustion at 202.76, rallied $2.79, 0.94. Number of other bullish calls in there. Those are all off hold. And the trade above 320.04 has brought in 87.7 cents of strength before rolling over. I would note that this was leading the upside for quite a bit and departed from that, and the RBOB taken over. I would be aware of possible exhaustion above here at 418.15 to 421.93 at 427.01. And the Brent, a maintain gap lower tomorrow, will leave a minor bearish reversal above. Tomorrow has a decent likelihood of seeing range expansion. I warned the 69.38 to 67.80 area. General area is a final area of possible exhaustion. And we held that. We came just short of that with a 70.14 low and rallied $17.41. We had additional suggestion on the 7th of July. We left a minor bullish reversal below. We rallied 14.76 from the 72.79 open. The maintain gap higher on the 8th left a medium bullish reversal below. We rallied $10.11 from the 77.44 open. And then the trade above 78.48 brought in $9.07 of strength. Decent trade above 86.94. Minus 0.2 of a tick per hour starting at 6 o'clock p.m. We'll warn of decent strength. If we break above there, decently back down through it, decently look for decent pressure to come in. And in the gas oil, a maintain gap lower tomorrow will leave a minor bearish reversal above. The break above 896.59 has brought in 286.41 cents of strength. And on the June 30th, I said we left the medium bullish reversal below. That warrants a higher trade for days/weeks. We rallied 273.25 from the 1183 open. And if you will remember back then, I said that this was the first main one to turn around, and we were really seeing a tremendous move out of that. The trade above 914.25 has brought in 268.75 of strength, and the trade above 942.75 has brought in 240.25 of strength, and the trade above 960.22 has brought in 222.78 of strength. And going into tomorrow, the RBOB is the strongest of the three, the crude oil in the middle, and the heat the weakest of the three relative to one another. A maintain gap lower tomorrow and the heat crack will leave a minor bearish reversal above. Okay, thank you for watching. I'll see you in tomorrow's podcast.